Microbes are the major components of life on the earth. Microbes are generally these are present in almost all places, including in extreme conditions also. The extreme conditions like snow and hot water, sometimes in 140 degrees centigrade also these can survive, and these can be present in the deep soils and in acidic conditions also. So, microorganisms or microbes include here some groups. So, these groups are bacteria, protozoans and fungi, microscopic plants, and some acellular organisms. Viruses are also here including these groups. Viruses, viroids, prions. So, here these groups are, all these groups are here prokaryotes or eukaryotes, cellular organisms, but viruses, viroids, prions, these are acellular organisms. Here bacteria, bacteria are prokaryotes. You know prokaryotes. What is prokaryote? Here in prokaryotes the nucleus is not having nuclear membrane. So, these are the primitive organisms. In the prokaryotes, here the nuclear membrane is absent. So, these are prokaryotes. Next, protozoans. Generally, protozoans include here Protista kingdom. Bacteria are including in Monera. Protozoans are belonging to Protista, and fungi in fungi kingdom, and microscopic plants here Plantae kingdom. So, here bacteria, these are prokaryotes, they are included in the Monera kingdom according to Whitaker's classification, and protozoans, these are included in the Protista kingdom, the second kingdom in the Whitaker's classification, and fungi under fungi kingdom. Next, microscopic plants, some are unicellular are there, and some are multicellular. So, unicellular microscopic plants are included in Protista. Here other multicellular organisms, multicellular plants are included under Plantae kingdom. Next, viruses, viroids, prions, these are acellular organisms. They are acellular organisms. Viruses, you know, viruses are nucleoproteins. What is nucleoprotein? In the viruses, nucleic acid is surrounded by protein coat or capsid is present. So, viruses are chemically known as nucleoproteins. Next, viroids. In viroids, only nucleic acid is present, no protein coat. In viruses, nucleic acid and protein coat, and in viroids, only nucleic acid is present. In prions, only protein coat or capsid is present. So, these are the infectious agents. All these viruses, viroids, prions are infectious agents. So, nucleoproteins, nucleic acids, infectious nucleic acids, and prions are only protein coats without nucleic acid. These are also causing severe diseases also. So, these are some microbes.